Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect YouTube Studio to start earning from shorts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your internet browser and navigate to youtube.com. Sign in to your YouTube account if you aren't already logged in. On the top right corner of the page, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. In the left sidebar, click on Monetization. Once on the if you meet these requirements, click on Start to begin the application process. Follow the on-screen instructions to accept the terms and conditions. Next, link your AdSense account if you haven't already done so. To do this, click on Link an AdSense account and follow the prompts. Once you complete the link, return to the monetization page. Review your application status to ensure everything is correctly set up. Now, return to your YouTube Studio dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Content to view your uploaded videos. Make sure you have created and uploaded YouTube Shorts. To create a short, click on the Create button at the top right and select Create a Short. Once you're add suitable titles, descriptions, and hashtags to optimize your shorts for discoverability. After you upload your shorts, monitor their performance in the Analytics section of YouTube Studio. Engage with your audience in comments to increase interaction. Regularly upload original, engaging shorts to grow your following and views. With consistent effort, you'll start seeing earnings from your shorts through the YouTube Partner Program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.